Okay, let's go Ate Shermel. Oh.
Mama, what's that?
Yeah.
No. The baby first. Mama, TikTok.
TikTok ka na naman.
That's watermelon. No done.
No dance. I want to dance. I want to dance. I want to make a poker face.
No make a face. Let's take the watermelon face.
Ate Shermel is not answering.
No.
Oh, why? Why Ate Shermel is not answering? Why?
TikTok.
No, ikaw Ate Shermel.
Oh, cool.
Oh.
Hi. Cheers. House.
May nakamute ka na naman.
Naka ba?
No.
Naka na kami.
Let's
Oh.
have a house. No.
Hey.
Where's Ate Shermel, oh?
Where's that? There's a mouth.
Where's Ate Shermel's mouth? Gobe, pakita yung mouth mo.
No,
Ano?
no, mouth.
Mouth only, not dila. Sabi niya.
Baka na naman bro ha.
Mouth only.
Nakaupo nga sa mesa eh. Gusto daw na dyan.
Bleh,
Hey!
bleh,
Oh, hindi nag-feel ko tungkol.
bleh. That was so sad.
Alam mo yung nag-SNR ako, yung binilang kita ng pagkain ng tumalon
So
si...
very melted.
Sino kasi may tumalon? Sabi,
Yeah.
Napakatagal ka na
oo nga, imagine mo sa gano'n hindi ko sa kinain. Tapos pagdating ko nito,
My
kung
hand.
hindi ko
It's in
nakain.
my hand.
Yung minsan ako
Oh, my
bumili.
hand, my hand.
Oh. Yung minsan ako bumili ng gano'n, be. Malaki yun eh. Tapos hindi na ako kinain
Thank you,
nila.
Mama said.
May chocolate naman dito. May chocolate naman si
Mom,
Kuya.
check.
Kumakain ng chocolate.
Mom said.
Oh,
Mom
sad.
said.
Yes.
Mommy, why so sad?
Because they ate my chocolate.
It's so good.
Yeah, mama's chocolate is gone. Hindi nila ako tinirahan. Kasi dapat kakainin na yun nung...
Mama, so
Kasi
sad.
nung nakauwi dito ng bahay,
Mama,
sabi,
so sad.
sabi ng Mildred. Sabi ko, balilagay nyo lang sa rep at kakainin na
Mama?
ng Ernest.
I'm so
Wait, I'm talking to ate.
It's so sad.
Because they ate my chocolate. Tapos may pagtingin ko kanina gusto ko na kainin, wala na siya.
Mama, I'm so sad. Mama, I'm so sad.
Because they ate my chocolate na.
It's so good.
Yeah, my Milka Oreo chocolate.
That's so good.
Yeah, that's Mama's favorite chocolate.
Okay.
We eat it. Can you buy me one?
Yeah.
Do you have money?
Yeah.
You have money?
Yeah.
Where's your money?
It's the baby money.
Where?
Yeah, baby money.
Where? Oh, can you have money?
Yes, be. May pera ka, be.
Saan? No, I want a real money. I want a money. I will buy chocolate.
Here you go. You say your birthday.
Here you go. Oh, galing mo ah. But I want money. I think that's 300 pesos. I want 300
Let's
pesos.
do this. Let's
I want Milka Oreo chocolate. That's Mama's favorite.
do this.
Oh, you're not yet sleeping.
Mommy, money.
Hindi pa nga tuloy yun. Di pa ko kanina lang
Ewan kasi kaninong nila dapat kagabi pa.
Oy!
May talaga naman. Akala mo kagabi.
Nilinis ko na yung bahay ko. Oh, yung mga kalat yun na lang yung problema ko.
Kolot namin. Tingin nga, kung malinis na pati ilalim ng kama mo.
Mom, why so sad?
Ano, nakakaganda
Mama, why
mo.
so sad?
I'm not sad anymore.
Mama, why so sad?
Mama is smiling.
Is it so good?
Bawal sad.
So sad, Mama?
Bawal sad.
No.
No sad.
Happy Mama.
Happy Mama.
No sad, Mama.
Opo, no sad.
Angry Mama.
No, Mama is not angry.
Oh, baby.
Ate Shermel is angry.
Mama is angry.
Show angry face, Ate Shermel. How, show angry face. Show angry face. Show, show
Wow!
angry face to ate.
Ay,
Say, show happy face. Happy. Sad. Oh, angry. Nagpapareho lang. Happy. Paano yung smile pagkatabi si kay Jacob?
my Jacob.
Paano nga smile mo pagkatapos kay Jacob?
That's my Jacob.
Nandiyan si Kuya Jacob sukulin sa bahay.
You want to see kay Jacob?
Yeah.
What will you do if you see kay Jacob?
Oh, this is great.
Hug and play. Oh, you ask permission to Ate Shermel. You ask permission to Ate Shermel.
There.
Yeah, you ask.
What's that? There's something mouth.
Oh, yan na yung bot ni Ate.
What's that? There's something mouth.
Ano yung bot ni Ate ba hanapin mo, ano?
What?
Do you miss Ate Shermel?
Mickey Mouse.
Do you miss Ate?
Where's Mickey Mouse?
Do you miss Ate Shermel?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, i-flying kiss mo si Ate. Mahulog yung baso dyan, ha?
Yeah.
Flying kiss Ate Shermel.
I love you.
Ay, next. Magsali ka.
I love you daw, Ate Shermel. Daming kiss, oh. Sabihilaan ko lang. Ah? Oh, yung flying kiss daw. Flying kiss daw. Hindi mo ganyan. No. Ayun, flying kiss Ate Shermel.
Oh, eh. One hand.
Wow, may konti na yung anak ko. Level up.
Kung lang ulit.
Hindi mo din nahulog.
Hindi pa.
Hindi ba? Hoy, bebe, no standing, ha? Sit down only, ha? Hulog ka dyan.
Okay, Mama.
Okay po, mama.
Okay, Mama.
You want Lolo Galit?
No.
Oh. Ang ikot.
No, it's for easy.
Oh, no ikot. Just sit down.
Because wait.
Oh, you sing Ate Shermel.
1, 2. Yo, booming, okay. Miss,
What are you saying? Oh, look, Ate Shermel, pabebe, oh. Pabebe rin ikaw, dali. Ang pabebe.
Ay, ayaw.
Ayaw. Why you're so ugly?
Pangit ka.
Bakit? Kasi nung mo naman, agad pa yun sa lagay na yun. Wala ka kaya sa akin.
Orange.
Aray! Ano ba na? Oh! Kami? Bakit mo ulit ito? Ay!
Ito may taste test.
Lumasa yung puti na isa. Saksa. Matulog ka na, Ben? Regular class ka na ba? Hanggang? Grabe na yun. Buti di mo ko kasi. Makasalanan ko, kaya hindi kayo magkausap.
Kaya pala eh.
Ano ako, te, tagapagbalita? Tagapaghatid ng mensahe?
Ay, may sari-sari. Akala ko sari-sari store. Yan, picture pala nila.
Mga picture yan ni...
Kala ko grocery nyo, girl.
Be! Siguro hindi kayo nag-video call kasi andito, nahihiya siya marinig.
Hindi, nagkakal kami pa yung nakamiyos ka.
Ay!
Tapos binabantayan niya pa yun ako matulog.
Ay, wow.
Siya na, oh, yung tagalagbantay sa katulong.
Kailan
Kaya mag-hire din ako. Tagapagbantay.
Ayaw mo mama siya.
I love you,
Ayaw
baby.
mo, Lady.
I love you, ate. Ano ba yan? Ginagawa mo? Hindi tayo makita sa ginawa mo. Video. Oh, aray! Jesus, napakalikot mo ng batang.
Hindi ba kayo ano? Patay na yung TV na yan.
Patay na TV? Patay na?
No!
Are you still watching? So kayo magluto sa ano? Bak ano yan eh? Manipis, manipis. Yung kawali. Kawali
Okay,
yan.
Kailangan kainin yan.
Yung kawali na malaki. Yung kawali malaki. Saan ba yung kawali malaki? Hindi na tayo.
Let's find the kawaling malaki.
Kasi ano yan, nag-iinit yan eh. Ano, nasa ko nag-ilalim. Wala pang matino kaldero dyan.
Hey, ugly. Mireya pangit.
Lo! Ugly ka daw? No, you're not ugly. No, you're not ugly. Of course, you're pretty. Pretty, Mireya Jean. Ikaw daw, ikaw pinupuli ka ng kapatid mo. Ikaw naman. O, for me daw. No, ikaw. Oh, no, I'm pretty. Yes,
Very
of course.
good.
You are pretty, just like Mama and Ate. Pagkasa mo muna, matagal ginamit yan.
Mama.
I love you.
Nahugasan ko na siya.
Ayaw ko dito sa kay Sherry. Sabi ko nga, huwag sila matutulog agad, masama yung pagkakagad.
Gusto mo ano, Shaman?
Padalang ka na din, Sherry.
Ano yung
Papuntay
saksakan
namin si Dayton.
Gusto niya yun.
Ito na yan.
Water baby.
Ano yung mga natutubig ba sa dyan?
Water baby there. Si at ito, pabili ko.
Tubig yan. Ay, water ka na.
At water.
Ayusin mo yung hawak.
Water.
Yeah.
Ate, water ka rin daw, ate.
Tulog ka na na. Ano sila? Para sa orso na.
Papa.
Para sa orso na.
Akala mo? Surprise sila
Nakita ka sa lubong ko kanina si Pix tsaka si Danmar.
Oh, sinabi mo na yun.
Ba't di sila nagpunta dyan?
Alam mo ba, hindi ko kakasabay.
Bakit?
Dalawang section kami.
Kasi late siya nag-enroll.
Hindi kasi 70 kasi kami lahat. Tapos parang...
Kadami naman nila
Di siya based on enrollment.
Alam mo kung ba't ang dami nyo? Kasi nga 500 lang yung public school. Tuition.
Di random.
Ayaw mo nun, parang may twist na hinamimiss mo naman siya kahit pa paano. Ikaw lang nahiwalay sa inyo. So, pag may mga school activity kayo, hindi kayo magkakasama. Wala na.
Ano naman, may isang subject na magkakasama.
Ano yun?
Yung electives.
Ano ba elective mo?
Parang ikaw mismo yung pipili ng subject na iti-take mo.
Anong subject ba kayo?
Apat lang yun eh.
Siyempre, pinag-usapan nyo na yun para magkakasama kayo.
Hindi, based din yun kasi sa parang pathway na iti-take mo.
Slowly, baby, slowly. Okay. You know, my eye bags are so big. I can't sleep. Yan tuloy-tuloy every night. Kamaya ako nagigising.
That's my water. More.
That's why my eye
Want
bags
more
are so
water?
big.
Yeah.
But I'm still sleepy.
Bala ko.
So talaga, you should, tawag nito, kunin mo yung nanay mo. Na? Hindi ko pangit ako, pangit ka din. Sa akin ka nang galing eh.
Mama, at ice cream.
Ice cream daw, Ate Sherman. Want ice cream daw. Is Mama ugly daw?
No, it's Mama.
Oh, sorry, pretty Mama. Oh, no. You know, pagbata hindi nagsisinungaling.
Ice cream.
Mama is pretty, right?
Cream.
Mama is pretty, right?
Ice cream.
Mama is pretty, right?
Ice cream.
I'm asking you if I'm pretty.
Ice cream.
I'm asking you if Mama is pretty.
Dati mo kinain.
Mama is pretty?
I can do.
Hindi na ako sinagot ice cream ko kasi sinuhulan mo ng ice cream, hindi na ako sinasabi. Is Mama pretty?
Ice cream. I got ice cream.
Dead mo na sa tanong ko.
Dito.
Ayaw, go to Ate Shermel and get your ice cream. Go.
No, there ice.
You want to go to Ate Shermel?
No, there ice
No, we don't have ice cream there. We just have ice, no cream. We just have ice, no cream.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Ah.
Manang-mana sa'yo to.
Dog.
Hotdog naman. No, you're not eating hotdog.
Ice cream there.
There.
Yeah.
Yeah. No. No. Ay, no. Stop. Mamang palo, you have mamang galit.
Matawa.
Ano? Abay na yung dati Shermel. I will fix your meal.
Yeah, no.
I know. I will fix your meal. Babay na kaya. Bye-bye na rin daw doon sa TV, oh.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Bye-bye na, ha. Dali na yung sleep na. Babay na kay ate. Bye. Bye-bye! Kay ate, huwag makulit. No.
Hawak.
No, hawak. Babay na kay ate. Flying kiss. Flying kiss. No, hawak nga eh. Flying kiss and say I love you to ate. Alay! Mama's eyes. Stop. Stop. What will you say? Don't do that again, okay? Don't do that again. Yan, Mama eyes tusok.
No.
Sakit yun. You want that?
No.
Oh, don't do that again, okay? Don't do that. Ganon na. Bad. Okay? No, don't do that to yourself also. Babay na kay ate again.
Bye-bye.
Like this na natin.
Bye-bye.
Ay,
Mama.
dito ka nagbababay, hindi sa TV.
Bye-bye.
Kay ate ka magbabay.
Bye-bye, Gigi.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Gigi. Bye-bye po,
Bye-bye, ate.
Mama. I love you, 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 I love you.
Dami na mailabo kay ate. Yung electric pan nandito, pero
Hey,
pinapapawisan
good night, good night, good night, I love you, good night, I love you.
Oh, dapat ganun daw karaming I love you, be. Tapatan mo yon.
Good night. Good night, Daddy.
Good night, Tia.
Good night, brother. Good night, GB.
Good night, brother. Good night, brother. Good night,
Oh, where's your brother?
Good night, GB. Your brother.
There's a brother on the TV. Okay.
Brother, sit down.
Brother
Sit down.
Brother John.
Brother Jinjong. Where's your brother Jinjong?
No, sit down. Sit down.
Jinjong. Bye-bye na, be.
Brother.
Sleep na, okay?
Brother, baby. Brother.
Bye-bye. You don't forget to pray before you sleep.
Brother.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye. Love you.
Oh my God.
Kiss. La, hindi ako kiss ni ate. Ate Shermel, don't kiss mama.
Why so sad?
Ate Shermel, don't kiss mama. Oh, kiss mo. Call ka, kiss natin.
I love you.
I love you.
Daddy.
Ate, natay na ako ng ate.
Daddy, kiss mama. Ayan mo, Mama.
I love you,
Mama, that's... Ayan mo, Mama, sini.